Need to split or extract pages from a PDF? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it quickly using Adobe Acrobat. Just follow these simple steps to separate pages from your PDF file in a few clicks. First of all, open up the PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Next, go to the top left and press All Tools. Go down and find the option Organize Pages. You can press Split to the left and go through the options there. To extract pages, click, hold, and drag to select the pages you want. Then you can right-click and press Extract Pages. We'll do Separate Files and press OK. Choose where you want them to be saved. I'll do it on my desktop. If we go and look, we'll see that the extracted pages have been saved as separate PDF files and are ready to use. And that's how you can split or extract pages from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for additional PDF tips and tricks.